JD Camp 26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we've got the Kniplex, the gripper, cobalt cutters here. And it comes in a box like this. These are 8-inch model. Just take them out. They have a lock here. This is to lock the jaws. These are cobalt. You push it up like that to open the jaws up. And let's measure that. Just have a ruler here. And put my glasses on. Sorry, guys. You're looking at about, let's see, maximum open, about 9 millimeters. To get something in there to cut. The comfort grip, I have some arthritis in my hands. When you use these, make sure you wear safety glasses. And we're going to try some few things here. And let's try the easiest stuff first. Here's this screw. This is a coated screw. Let's try it. It may ricochet, I don't know. Yeah, it did a little bit. Went right through them. And let's try this. This looks like brass, but it's really steel. Went right through them. Went right through that. I found this in the drawer. This is some kind of aluminum. I can't get it in there, see? Some stuff is not able to put in there. Let's try this bolt here. This is kind of pushing it. Yeah, I don't have enough leverage for that to cut that. That's a 1/4 inch bolt. And I would assume the same with this. It would do wire. Let's try this piece of steel here. Get it in there. Let's see if we can cut this. Yeah, this is really hardened steel. That's hardened steel. It just nicked it. They are cobalt. They'll do soft nails. They'll do the screws and stuff like that. So it's something good to have in your toolkit. And to cut things you need to cut. Let's try this right here. Sure you don't pinch you. Yeah, it cuts it right in half. It'll cut wire, cut piano wire. So these come in bigger sizes, so you can get these in bigger sizes. And they make a whole line of tools, really. Kniplex. So you can pick them up on Amazon and at the hardware store. And I highly recommend them. So if you like this video, please rate and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. And I hope you have a good day. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.